Welcome to this technical guide on the Acer 990. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Acer 990 only works when plugged in, you're not alone. This issue typically arises when the battery has degraded over time, leading to an inability to hold a charge. If it's not addressed soon, you may find your device becomes completely unusable without a constant power source. The good news is, it's a fixable problem. To repair your device, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a new battery specifically designed for the Acer 990. First, ensure you power off your Acer 990 completely and disconnect it from any power source. Using the plastic opening tool, carefully pry open the back cover of the laptop, starting at one corner and working your way around to avoid damaging the clips. Once the back cover is removed, locate the battery, which is typically secured by a few screws. Make sure to use the Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws, but be cautious not to apply too much force as this could damage the surrounding components. Gently disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard by pulling it straight out, ensuring you do not tug on any nearby cables. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your new battery and connect it to the motherboard in the same way the old one was connected. Once it's secure, replace the screws to hold the battery in place. After that, carefully reattach the back cover, ensuring all clips are secured without forcing anything. Finally, power on your device and check that it runs without being plugged in. With this repair, your Acer 990 should now function perfectly, allowing you to use it freely without the need for a constant power source. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to regularly calibrate your battery by allowing it to fully discharge and then fully charge it. Additionally, avoid leaving your laptop plugged in for extended periods, as this can also contribute to battery degradation. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.